Hello and welcome. Today I am going to discuss about how we can convert a decimal number into a binary number. There are many methods available for converting a decimal number into a binary number. Today I will discuss about a direct and very popular method for converting a decimal number into a binary number. The method is called double double method. In this method, the given decimal number is used as dividend and divided by 2 to give a quotient and a remainder. Then the quotient part taken as dividend and divided by 2 to give a quotient and a remainder, and then continue the same process until the quotient is 0. So let's start with a basic example. Decimal number 2. We have to divide this 2 by 2. Why do we divide by 2? Because binary system uses base 2. So 2 times 1 equal to 2. So quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. Now the quotient is not 0. So divide it again by 2. So if we divide 1 by 2, quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. Now the quotient is 0. So we don't need to divide it again. Now we will arrange all remainders sequentially from bottom to top. So decimal 2 equivalent to binary 1 0. This 10 represents decimal system and this 2 represents binary system. So that is the answer. Next example. Convert decimal number 13 into binary number. A remainder. So divide it by 2. 6 times 2 equal to 12. So remainder is 1. Now again divide it by 2. 3 times 2 equal to 6 and remainder is 0. Again divide by 2. 2 times 1 equal to 2 and remainder is 1. Again divide by 2. Now the quotient is 0 and the remainder is 1. So we don't need to do this step again. So that means decimal number 13 equivalent to binary number. Arrange all remainders from bottom to top. First 1, then 1, then 0, then 1. So that is the answer. Next try another one. Convert decimal number 85 into binary number. There is remainder. Now divide it by 2. So 4, 2. and remainder is 1. Again divide by 2, that is 21. So remainder is 0. Again divide it by 2, 1, 0, and remainder is 1. Again divide it by 2, that is 5 times 2 equal to 10, and remainder is 0. Again divide it by 2, 2 times 2 equal to 4, so remainder is 1. Now again divide it by 2, 2 times 1, and remainder is 0. Again divide it by 2, so here is 0 and here is 1. Now arrange remainders from bottom to top, that is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Binary equal to decimal 85. So that is the final answer. Now we will convert a decimal fraction to a binary number. 0.375. Now when it is fraction, we need to multiply fractional part by 2. So 0.375 multiplied by 2. So the result is 0.750 result. In this result, integer part is 0. We need to repeat this process until fractional part is 0. So now do it again. 0.75 multiply by 2. So it comes 1.5. So now 1 is integer and fractional part is 0.5. So now we will multiply 0.5 by 2. So 5 times 2 equal to 10. So integer part is 1. Now fractional part is 0. So stop. The result is 0.375 decimal equal to. Let's write out the each resulting integer part from top to bottom. First 0, then 1, then 1. There will be a point. So this is the answer. In most cases, the fractional part never becomes 0. Then when we stop this process, if nothing is specified in the process, then you can stop after 5 iterations, and if the pattern will keep repeating, then we can stop immediately. Now if there is both integer part and fractional part in a problem, then how we can solve it? Consider a decimal number 5.25 decimal. We must perform two separate operations for integer part and decimal part. So first convert this integer part 5 this is remainder, so 2 times 2 equal to 4, so remainder is 1. Again 1 times 2 equal to 2, so remainder is 0, and again divided by 2, so here is 0 and here is 1. And now this fractional part 0.25, this is result. Here is integer part. So 0.25 multiplied by 2, so result is 0.5. So integer part is 0. Again multiply 0.5 by 2, 0.5 multiply by 2, so 1.0. So integer part is 1. Now 5.25 equivalent to binary. For integer part, arrange all remainders from bottom to top. So 1, 0, 1. Point. For decimal part, arrange all resulting integer part from top to bottom. 0, 1. Binary. So this is the final answer. Hope you understand this lesson. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.